How to download Adobe Photoshop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Photoshop in a Windows device. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First, head over to your web browser and then simply search for Adobe Photoshop download. After you search for it, you will see a lot of options here. Simply head over to creativecloud.adobe.com. And after you head over to that very website, it will take some time to load, but after it does, you will see the download option or the sign in option. So if you don't have an account, you can create one and then sign in before you download. So after you head over to the website, the file will start downloading and you will see follow the instruction below to install Photoshop. So after your Adobe Photoshop file downloads, simply open up the setup file. So after you open up the setup file, this should open up right here. Simply head over to your continue. After you tap on continue, you'll simply need to give access. And after you give your device the access, it should start loading like this. Now, after it does, you can simply sign in using your account. If you don't have an account, tap on create an account, or you can simply sign in using your Google. So after you sign in, this page should come up. And all you need to now do is tap on start installing. Now tap on start installing, and as you can see right here, it will take some few minutes. Now here you can simply tap on what describes you the best. So if you're a student, simply select student, or if you're a designer, choose that, or whichever suits you the best. Tap on continue, and here you will see, so here you will need to choose one of the four. So choose this if you have not yet used it, or choose this if you are an expert at Photoshop. So I'm just going to skip this question. Now here you can just choose now. They will set up relevant resources according to your selections. So you can skip this or simply choose one. And after you do that, tap on skip question or continue. After you do so, the installation process should end and your Adobe Photoshop should start working just fine. And yeah, that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.